to Saborea 2018 with me, Ben from Cantina and Tabla. This is our stand. I'm going to show you today our beautiful supplies we have going on here. We're starting with a brownie. We've got a really nice brownie with chocolate, gluten-free, still Zoe's recipes, still our best-selling thing on our menu. Come and try that. And other than that, we have our new dish. It just came out this month. It's called the Cantina bowl. So it has kimchi, rocket, spring onion, mushroom, carrot, sesame seeds, selection of rices, and either comes with tofu as a vegetarian option or with free-range chicken. This has been our best seller at this event, and it's flying out the doors. Come and try it, really healthy. And then other than that, we have our burgers as always, and this year we have a goat burger as a special. Get up here, come and try some.
There's a key.